morning. Welcome to Sayanachi channel. Today we'll be unboxing 4 items coming from Lazada. These are cake decoration tray, 3 pans, icing dispenser, and measuring cups. So these are in continuity of our patisserie equipment. Started with oven, tapos meron tayong uh, mga baking pans, and then ayan. Yung vacuum cleaner, yung para sa ano yun sa cleaning services natin. Ayan. So, let me put my headset kasi mahina yung audio pag malayo na sa microphone. Here again, yung unang recording ko hindi pala nakuha. So, ulitin natin. So, ito siya, yung cake turntable. Ayan. So, what you see here is what you get here in the action. So, gumagana. So, this is very good. And then, yung 3 additional pans that I've ordered, 200 pesos lang to, plus shipping fee na 130, so 330. Mura pa rin compare dun sa iba na 350. And I have here also measuring cups coming from 1/8, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup. So these are needed in order for you to have an accurate measurement sa mga ingredients. And then we have the measuring spoon, as small as 1/8 teaspoon. Ang napakaliit. 1/4, hindi ko na mabasa. 1/2, ano to, 1 teaspoon. Ang cute. This one is half tablespoon and 1 tablespoon. Okay. So, useful yan para accurate measurement ng mga salt, oil, or whatever. Flour. So, this is the hard shape. Ang cute niya, di ba? Medyo makapal, kaya mabigat. So, ito naman yung round. So, ayan siya. Ito yung purpose to, no? Pag nagdi-design ka ng cake with icing. Tapos ito yung square. Dito maganda maglasanya, no? Or yung pan pizza na malaki, yung deep dish. Ayan. Yung big loaf. Pwede rin. Square pan na. So, ayan siya lahat. So, happy naman ako. 809 pesos siya lahat. Compare dun sa kaninang order ko na may rolling pin na kulang ng thermometer, which I reordered. Nirefund ko sa Lazada. Nakakainis pag ganun. So, okay na to. Masaya na ako dito sa orders na to. So, wrap up. So, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Kindly support us here. Thank you and God bless. Bye.